Hi there. Meet the ASCENREST Slim Bathroom Storage Cabinet, perfect for small spaces with its sleek, waterproof design. This 4-tier organizer features transparent drawers for easy content visibility and silent pulleys to protect your floors. Made from durable ABS material, it resists moisture and heavy loads without warping or tipping. Its rounded edges prevent injuries, and the smooth surface is easy to clean, adding both safety and style to your space. With no installation needed, this slim cabinet fits neatly into corners, ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or bedrooms. Store towels, toiletries, cosmetics, and more while keeping your space clutter-free and elegant. Enjoy the perfect blend of functionality and design with this versatile storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.